guys, so images and text output format became available for Gemini 2 Flash, which not only means that you can prompt for images, but you can get replies that are a mix of text and images, but also you can customize these images yourself. So we can ask Gemini to give me instructions how to make a cake with accompanying pictures. I can't type, but hopefully Gemini knows what the heck I'm trying to say. So yeah, we're getting pictures here. Preheat your oven, prepare the pan. So we're getting pictures here, and ideally, these pictures are gonna connect, right? We're using the same bowl here. So these images are generated by Gemini, and it is important to emphasize that image generation was somewhat pricey. At least Flux Schnell was the only one that kind of allowed you to generate images in an affordable fashion. And Gemini allows you to, I guess, how many images we got here? So that's a lot of images. And basically you're getting a step-by-step guide of how to do this. And you can see that this was just not pulled off the internet, but explicitly generated for this use case. So very cool. And very important to emphasize, like currently, can we make this cake, I don't know, Batman themed, Spider-Man themed. Okay. So maybe we can customize this. Right? Apparently it's just saying what I will need. So that's what we have. So we're kind of branching from what we had before, and we are gonna be decorating it, I suppose. Makes sense. Nice. That's a little bit too much, man. What the heck? What's up with the last one? The last one is way too much. I want something simple. What the heck is that? Okay, that's what we have. Red and blue cake with some spider stripes. Fair enough. So we are basically generating like 20 images here, which cost-wise, for many other APIs, many other AI image generators, that would cost you like $1. But I think they're using something more efficient here, or at least I hope they do. And even the most efficient image generator that I know of, at least that was available as an API, allowed you like 300 or so images for $1. And also worth saying that these images were generated very quickly. So they are rather high quality. Arguably they are perfect. And they're generated fast. And I don't know about the price, how much it cost them. But if it cost the same price as most image generators out there, then it would be prohibitively expensive. And we really shouldn't talk about video generation. That tends to be even pricier. Currently, it's on the level that you would have to pay like $20 for a 1-minute video generation. This is a rough estimate based on the offerings on the market. So we are trying the image generation again. Cat pirate riding a Roomba. Man. Make the cat drawn. I don't know. That's it's not bad. I guess it's just okay. This is better. So this was an improvement, and we have the pirate head too. I guess this a cat was more of a pirate in heart. Okay, what else we can do? Make her have red eyes. I don't know why. It just seems like a pirate thing to do. Rawr. And it's fast too. Okay, make her sail some kind of lava seas instead of the living room. Okay, let's just be explicit here. Maybe that's gonna help. Let's go! There's the floor is lava! This is perfect. And a very important feature is that you can go back to the previous image, well, you can delete it, or branch from there. So suppose we don't have an undo button, which is a little annoying, but we can just grab the previous image because, like, okay, now we have like a floor is lava in the living room fashion, but that's not what we wanted. That wasn't really what the prompt kind of went for. So we have a branch, and we are continuing with the Roomba Pirate Cat. All right, let's see what we have. Make the background the Atlantic Ocean. Let's just see if we can make this improvement. Boom. Yeah, let's go. Okay, next step. Draw a young woman holding a book, wearing a summer dress, and wearing a top hat. Right. This is kind of a good picture. What should be the background? Give it some color. I guess it's not too bad to go a little vague here. Okay, but too vibrant, I think. We might branch from the previous one. Alright. This is kind of classy. I kind of like it. Can we change the style? Make it in anime style. Let's go. That's yeah, that's a bit too much to ask for. It kind of looks Irish somehow. I think that's the color palette used. Change the book into a stone tablet. That's fine. Just go with stone tablet. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Make the stone tablet wider. Can we make this? Okay, I have some ideas. Make her hair black. I guess these are just... I guess that's not what I meant by wider, but... Sure. No. I think I like the previous one. Let's go. Can we make it widescreen? Make the image widescreen 16:9. We might add some kind of a background to it. Let's just see what we have it. Okay. I think the eyes are a zoom in a... how should I say it? Make her a little bigger. I think a zoom was also a decent way to say it. Okay. Huh? I don't understand this. I just zoom in. Zoom in a little. And see if that works. We are branching from the OG. Let's see. Did it work? I don't really see much change, unfortunately. I know because I tried to zoom in before and it did not really have the desired effect. Give it a vibrant background. I don't know what the background should be, so I'm just saying it should be vibrant. Let's go. That's too vibrant. No. Maybe it should be like lively. Give it a lively background. So yeah, this is pretty much the image generation process. No. Yeah, you need to be explicit, or AI will not know. And this AI especially does not like abstractions that much, so you need to be beyond explicit. Okay, what should it be? She is standing on a... She's standing on the promenade of Deep Space Nine. Let's see if AI can nail this. Of course, it's gotta be like a few seconds to think about this. Okay, I didn't know what the heck is that. All right. So, okay, she's the captain of a spaceship. Make her background reflect that. So her style is completely changed to this. Then she's inside the spaceship, so we got that. A little generic. Okay, let's try something more abstract. Make her in love with a lizard man. How's this picture evolving here? Of course, this is a... Okay, there you go. The spaceship is full of enemy-like women with cat ears. Okay, this is not really blending that well. Okay, I guess we're using black outlines. And she's also wearing sunglasses now. Black shades. And the image is called branch of, branch of, branch of, branch of, branch of, and so many other branches of young woman book summer dress. You may not like it, but this is how perfection looks like.